Hamburger, hamburger. A hamburger is a delicious sandwich with a juicy beef patty. Hot dog, hot dog. A hot dog is a tasty sausage served in a soft bun. Pizza, pizza. Pizza is a round and cheesy, topped with pepperoni, vegetables, and whatever you love. French fries, French fries. French fries are crispy, golden sticks of potato. Chicken nuggets, chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets are bite-sized pieces of chicken that are crunchy on the outside and tender inside. Tacos, tacos. Tacos are fun to eat with crunchy or soft shells filled with meat, cheese, and salsa. Sandwich, sandwich. A sandwich is made with bread and can have all sorts of fillings. Wrap, wrap. A wrap is a tortilla filled with delicious ingredients like chicken, lettuce, and sauces, then rolled up tight. Onion rings, onion rings. Onion rings are crispy, fried circles of onion, perfect for snacking. Quesadillas, quesadillas. A quesadillas is a cheesy tortilla folded in half and grilled until the cheese.